What do you say we just cut the bullshit?
The bullshit?
Instead of us having some drawn-out song and dance, why don't you just tell me where you were last Thursday at 10 p.m.?
Last Thursday?
At 10 p.m.
I was home in bed?
So, can anyone verify that? A lover, maybe?
Isn't that a little personal?
Just answer the goddamn question.
I was alone, okay? What does that have to do with
So
anything?
you don't have an alibi for Thursday?
Alibi?
What's your relationship to Joan Seymour?
Joan who?
Seymour.
Who's Joan Seymour?
The woman you murdered.
The woman What?
Don't play dumb with me, Jeremy.
Jeremy? Who the hell's Jeremy?
Aren't you Jeremy Blunt?
No, I'm Henry Green. I'm interviewing for the intern position.
The intern?
Hey, Carl.
Hey, Rick.
Wrong room again?